Our planet Earth is a beautiful example of life. We have humans, animals, reptiles, insects, and plants. Do you think there's any other planet like ours that has life? Do you think aliens exist? Number 10. Ancient evidence of aliens in cave paintings. In the Kurama region of India, there are ancient paintings that are around 10,000 years old. These paintings show strange things, aliens without faces, and something that looks like a UFO with antennas. It's like they were drawing things that look similar to what we now call unidentified flying objects. These paintings make people wonder about what those ancient artists might have seen or imagined in their time. It's fascinating to think about these mysterious drawings from so long ago, and what they might tell us about ancient stories or beliefs. Number 9. The UFO painting and art history. During the Renaissance, artists would paint strange and mysterious shapes in their artworks. A famous painting from that time is called The Madonna with Saint Giovannino, often known as the UFO painting. It's thought to be created by an Italian artist named Domenico Ghirlandaio around the 15th century. In this painting, there's the figure of Madonna, but in the sky behind her, there's this odd shape that looks like a flying object. People have wondered if it might be showing a UFO, which has caused a lot of discussions and ideas about what the artist was trying to say. It's fascinating how old paintings sometimes have things that still make us curious today. Number 8. The Nazca Lines. The Nazca Lines are massive drawings carved into the ground in the southern part of Peru. They consist of more than 10,000 lines that come together to form around 300 shapes, portraying animals, humans, and plants. These geoglyphs are gigantic, with some stretching across 9 kilometers and being as wide as 30 meters. It's a mystery how ancient civilizations crafted these colossal designs without being able to view them from above. Some even wonder if aliens might have been involved. These lines are intriguing enigmas that have puzzled scientists and archaeologists for many years, sparking discussions about how the ancient people managed to create them and why. Despite various ideas and theories, the exact reason for their existence remains a puzzle, leaving us with plenty of questions and a sense of curiosity. Number 7. Crop circles. Crop circles are really interesting. People often think of these mysterious designs showing up in fields nowadays, but the very first one we know about goes back to 1678 in Scotland. It was called the Devil's Circle, and it got people curious even way back then. These shapes usually pop up in fields of wheat or corn, where the plants are bent in really detailed patterns. Even though we mostly hear about them happening recently, stories about these odd shapes go back for ages. They've puzzled folks for centuries. The patterns can be pretty intricate, sometimes huge and really complicated, which keeps people curious. There are lots of ideas about where they come from and what they might mean, but no one's totally sure. Number 6. Foo Fighters. Have you ever wondered about the origin of the term Foo Fighter? Well, during World War II, Allied pilots used this term to describe mysterious aerial sightings believed to be UFOs. These sightings often involved glowing, fiery lights moving swiftly through the air or hovering close to the ground. Some researchers think these Foo Fighters might be explained by electrostatic or electromagnetic phenomena, but there's no clear evidence to solve the mystery. The sightings from that era continue to intrigue people, and the term Foo Fighter has become a part of UFO lore. Despite attempts to explain them, these cases remain enigmatic, contributing to the ongoing fascination with unidentified flying objects. Number 5. Physical evidence. Trace cases, also known as close encounters of the second kind in UFO studies, involve physical evidence linked to UFO encounters. This evidence can include marks left on the ground, strange alterations to plants, or unusual substances. Reports suggest there are roughly between 3,500 to 5,000 of these trace cases documented. While many of these incidents have been explained as hoaxes or natural occurrences, a handful remain puzzling and defy easy explanation, leaving researchers intrigued. UFO sightings often spark curiosity and debate, and these trace cases add another layer of mystery to the phenomenon, captivating the interest of both scientists and enthusiasts alike. Number 4. Project Sign. Project Sign was a special study by the United States Air Force that looked into UFOs. It went on from 1948 to 1949, but details about it were hidden for a long time. The goal was to check if UFOs were from outer space, but most sightings were explained as weather or human-made stuff. Yet around 701 sightings couldn't be easily explained. They remained a mystery. The government labeled these as unidentified. This project led to the birth of Project Blue Book, which studied UFOs for years afterward. Blue Book got more attention and tried to explain these mysteries. However, even after all their work, some sites stayed unexplained. The government was concerned about public reactions and didn't share everything they found. But over time, more info about these investigations became available, causing more curiosity and debate about what these unidentified sightings could actually be. Many people still wonder about these cases today. Number 3. Area 51. Area 51 has been at the center of numerous conspiracy theories over the years, mostly because it's shrouded in secrecy. Originally, it was a hub for designing and constructing military aircraft like fighter jets and drones. Despite its known military purpose, persistent rumors suggest it's also a secret hub for researching aliens. The mystery deepens when we question why this specific location, Area 51, is linked to extraterrestrial speculations. While governments might logically have research centers for studying possible alien life, the extreme secrecy and control surrounding Area 51 in the Nevada desert add fuel to the speculation. Many people wonder if there's more to the story than what's officially disclosed, giving rise to various theories about unidentified flying objects, UFOs, and extraterrestrial experiments happening within the confines of Area 51. The lack of transparency fuels imaginations and conspiracy theories, making it challenging to separate fact from fiction in the ongoing Area 51 mystery. Number 2. Martians are our neighbors. When we talk about aliens, we often think about Martians, the possible inhabitants of Mars, our neighboring planet. Mars catches our attention for the hunt for alien life because it's the closest planet to ours and shares some similarities in its environment. A big similarity is the presence of water in Mars's past. Evidence suggests that around 4.5 billion years ago, about a fifth of Mars was covered in water. Not too long ago, in 2017, the Curiosity rover found boron on Mars. Boron is considered essential for life as we know it, so its discovery raises exciting questions about the possibility of past or even present life on the red planet. Scientists are eager to explore Mars further to uncover more clues. There's also the hope that Mars might provide insights into the origins of life beyond Earth. The exploration includes sending more rovers and even planning manned missions to dig deeper into the planet's history. Understanding Mars' past environment and whether life ever existed there could tell us a lot about the conditions necessary for life elsewhere in the universe. Number 1. The Drake equation. Back in 1961, American astronomer Frank Drake created a formula to guess the number of planets that might support life and have the ability to communicate with us. He considered 7 important factors, such as the number of stars with solar systems, how quickly those stars form, the number of planets suitable for life, and how many of those planets could give rise to intelligent beings. While the specific numbers in the equation are up for discussion, Drake's calculations suggested there could be around 10,000 potential intelligent species in the universe. This idea sparked interest in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI project, where scientists use radio telescopes to listen for signals from possible extraterrestrial civilizations. Over the years, the quest to find signs of intelligent life beyond Earth has evolved with advancements in technology and our understanding of the cosmos. Despite the equation's uncertainties, the pursuit of discovering if we are alone in the vastness of the universe continues to captivate the imagination of scientists and the public alike. When we gather all the information, there isn't solid evidence to definitively confirm aliens exist. Still, don't you think there's plenty to make us curious? If you're intrigued by this, consider subscribing for more discussions like these on the channel.